Welcome to Great Canadian Radios. Today we have King Model 80 from 1926, made in Bridgeburg, Ontario, which is now part of Fort Erie. Actually, most of the radio parts were made in Buffalo, New York, but then they shipped that over and they added a few things like knobs, tubes, and the front panel to escape duties. So it's really a Can-American radio. It runs from 6 tubes. 5 of them are 201As, and the output tube over here is a 71. It's a battery set originally, but I've hooked it up to a power supply, and I've attached a modern speaker, so I had to put in an output transformer shown there. Okay, so as I said, made in Bridgeburg, Ontario. There's the sticker right there. Actually, it's a metal plate. The front originally would have had some sort of grill work. That was missing. That'll be broken, so I've just added this. Now let's take a look at the back. I'll show you the power supply that I've hooked it up to. So on the left is the power supply. A modern speaker. I'll just turn this down. Alright, so usually on these sets, battery sets, you don't get a lot of volume unless you've got a 50-foot outdoor antenna, horizontal wire. I'm just using a loop antenna shown there. So in order to get more volume, I've hooked the output into a small Realistic brand amplifier. So now I can get all sorts of volume. So sometimes you just have to improvise if you want to be able to listen to the radio. So typically these battery sets don't have very good tone, but as I said and you saw, you can get some volume out of it. And typically you'll find that the audio transformers are blown out, especially the primaries. And on this set there were 3 primary audio amplifier, or audio transformers I should say. And 2 of them were burned out. So you can either replace them, which costs you money. It's hard to find ones that fit. Or you can bypass the primary using a resistor and a capacitor. And that's what I did on this set. And now I have it working, probably the first time since maybe the 1930s. I may refinish the cabinet and I may improve that grill work sometime, but that'll be next year. So there you have it, King Model 80 from 1926, a Great Canadian American radio. A Seagull out.